Today I'll talk about facility location, and this is part of my series of lectures on operations management. So if the question is where to produce, then we can solve this question using the methods for facility location. By facility location, I mean location of an organization. Here, we select a specific site for establishment of our organization, and it is a strategic decision because it is a long-term decision, it is not a day-to-day decision. There are three levels at least for location decisions. One is in which country or in which nation our facility should be located, and within that selected country, in which state or in which region of the country our facility should be located, and finally, in the selected state, in which site our facility should be located. So these are various levels of location decisions. These are the factors which affect the location decisions, and these are very important to understand. The commonly used factors are that facility should be located near to the raw material, or it may be near to the customer, or near to the market, or near to the demand. The decision may be based on availability of skilled labor, tax benefit, if any nation is providing, relaxation in excise. Then the other important factor is regional infrastructure, which include transport facilities, communication facilities, and electricity. Then other factors include government policies, political risk, legal aspects, cultural factors, macroeconomy of the country, exchange rate, and currency risk. Sometimes climate factors are important. Then attitude towards trade unions, then land and construction cost, and laws on environmental protection. This is especially important if our facility has a potential to pollute the environment. Then there are certain laws, or if our facility is related to healthcare, then there may be production of biomedical waste, and that should be disposed according to the biomedical waste rule of the land or the nation. Then these factors can be divided into controllable factors and uncontrollable factors. Now let us go to the methods to identify best location. There are at least these four methods. One is cost volume analysis or cost volume profit analysis. The other is factor rating method, then center of gravity method, and finally using operations research. Now let us take one by one in very brief. Cost volume analysis or cost volume profit analysis. The total cost is given by fixed cost plus variable cost, where variable cost is equal to the unit rate of production multiplied by the volume of production. This cost volume analysis is similar to decision making using break-even analysis. And there are these important assumptions that fixed cost, this one is constant, and variable cost are linear. That is, they should not be dependent on volume. Then required level of output can be closely estimated, and there is only one product involved. This is the graphical representation for cost volume analysis. This I have taken from this site. So if our desired output is from 0 to 5, then location B is superior because the total cost is lowest for location B. If our desired output is between 5 and 11, then location C is superior because it has the lowest total cost. Whereas if unit of production, total production is more than 11,000 units, then location A is superior. So this volume is very important. Hence, this assumption that required level of output can be closely estimated is very important assumption. Then the next method is factor rating method. The factor rating method consider various factors which we have considered previously, and since it consider various factors, it is useful for service industry because it does not require product cost, unlike the cost volume analysis. So here each factor is assigned weight from 0 to 1, and the factor is scored from either 0 to 10 or 0 to 100. Then the total weighted score is calculated. This is I have taken from internet from this site. For example, if these are the factors, let us say rental cost is a factor and the weight assigned to rental cost is 0.4. Yes. And these are two locations. These are scored on these all these factors, and score for rental cost for location 1 is 70 and for location 2 is 90. Then we multiply weight by score for each factor, and then we sum up all the multiplications to get the total weighted score, and it is higher for the location 2 or alternative 2. Then center of gravity method. Here the objective is to achieve a minimum distribution cost or transportation cost, and we need the XY coordinate of all the demand centers. If Qi is the quantity to be shipped to destination I, and Xi is the X coordinate of destination I, and Yi is Y coordinate of destination I, then the X coordinate of the center of gravity is the weighted sum of all X, where weights are the quantities, and Y coordinate of center of gravity is the weighted sum of all Y, where weights are the quantities. So this is the graphical representation I have taken from this source. This is the center of gravity when we consider the distance of all these points and the quantities to be shipped, because this is a weighted sum. This is the center of gravity where this is the best location for our facility if we want to minimize the distribution cost. Then we come to operations research. So facility location problem solution using operations research I have described in my separate lecture. This is the link. You can also click on the link displayed above. This is all for today. Thank you very much.